Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to record what's going on your desktop, or in other words, record your computer without having to use a camera and having crappy quality. So what you're going to do is I'm going to provide you with a link down below, and you're going to click it, and this will come up. Well, actually, I've actually took this shot multiple times, because, yeah, don't be stupid like me and forget to use your microphone, because then you'll waste 5 minutes. So you're going to click download, like you would think you would, and if you have any other thing, I don't know where it comes up, but if you have Google Chrome, it'll come up down here. You're going to save the file. It does not harm your computer, for anyone who's going to wonder that, because I'm probably going to have a couple people in the comments say something like that. You're just going to save it, and you're going to wait for it to download. It takes about maybe a minute or so to download, not too much. I'm not going to download because I already have it done. So I'm just going to shrink this down. And what'll come up once you have it installed and stuff. And another question that usually comes up whenever you're in the middle of installing it, it's going to ask you for a key. And that does not mean you need the key to install the program. That just means for those who would purchase the program, they would put in their key and they get the full one. So you can just click next once that comes up, and it won't be a problem. So I do not want to see that in the comments. So then what you're going to do is, once you open it up, you're going to it'll go to all programs. It'll be Microsoft Expression. It'll be right over here once it starts loading. I hate my computer. And you're going to go to Microsoft Expression Encoder for Screen Capture Expression something. And then you're going to click it. Nothing's going to come up for me since I am using the program to record a tutorial about using the program. So once it does come up though, it's going to be a little bar thing that's going to be about this size, and it's going to have buttons on it. This button right here somewhere is going to be about where you click to start recording the video. It does not instantly record it. It brings you to another little setup page. This will be the settings, and this is where you would select exactly what quality of the video you're going to be doing, how fast it should run. Usually the higher the quality, the slower it runs. So you don't always want to make it all perfect thinking it'll come out better. It won't. And that's also where you select using plug-in microphones that you use on your USB. Make sure you select those. Like I said earlier, I forgot to select it, and it did not work. So don't waste your time. Select it. So if you're not using that and you have a microphone, I do suggest though using a external microphone because it usually has better sound quality, but than what usually is built into laptops or what the hell? Well, I get really annoyed. This has come up twice during this, and I really do not want to change my color screen. I like it that way. But anyways, yeah, if you use an external microphones, it usually works better and sounds better. Even though I have a high-pitched voice, so it doesn't sound too good on this. If anyone is not all squeaky like me, then it'll sound good. But once you get done with your recording, once you click the record button in this little toolbar, right this, it'll bring up a screen where it shows you exactly where you want to record it. You can make it to where you only record this much of the screen, or you can simply select like I am, recording the entire screen. But once you're done with that, and once you're done recording your video, it brings up a screen that's going to let you save your video, or basically delete it. So, yeah, and then it'll bring you to this. This is where you're going to preview your video. I have nothing to preview since I have nothing recorded. So, yeah, you kind of be able to swirl around, make sure everything looks fancy. And you can mess around with these settings over here. Make sure everything looks good to you. Make sure everything is nice and fancy. So, yeah. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go up to, not edit. You're going to go to encode. You're going to click on that. And you're going to encode your video. It'll take not too long. It depends on how long the video is to encode it. And that's done importing my empty video. And then, depending on where you want to save it to, it'll appear right there, and you can just select that. And yes, you can edit the videos on Windows Movie Maker or Vegas Pro. So yes, you don't have to use the raw footage that you took. But yeah, that's basically how you record your desktop without a camera. And this is Tanner, and I am signing out. Peace.